Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a viral Roblox video using AI. So I'm going to basically type this in ChatGPT, like make a prompt for a gamer girl. I will put the prompt in the description box down below. You can kind of adjust it to your liking. Go to Google Gemini and paste that prompt and generate it. Go back to ChatGPT, add in that photo, and then you're going to paste this prompt. You're going to paste this prompt here. And then it's going to kind of like base it off of that video, and you're going to go to Google Flow. You're going to basically add in that picture. Okay, select new project first. And select frames to video, and then you're going to put in that frame. Crop and save. And you're just going to put this on Google Flow. I don't think I can generate it because I don't have any more credits, but you're just going to want to do that. Oops. Let's see, do I have enough credits? I think I do. Oh, I forgot to mention. And then you're going to put in this like prompt. She smiles and says, "Get trolled." Then once it's done generating, you're going to save that video and you're going to put it into CapCut. Basically, you're going to add in a Roblox game. I think the current popular game is the like Get Slapped game, I think. Let me just open Roblox for a bit here. Like a slap tower. This is the game that you want to like record yourself playing. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. You're just going to record yourself playing slap tower, and then you are going to record that and edit it in CapCut with that like gamer girl video that we have here. I'm just gonna wait for it to generate. It does take a few minutes, so just be patient. And this is what it looks like. Just make sure she says like "get troll." Okay, this is the audio with, by the way.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into the stream. We're about to dive into some more cyberpunk adventures tonight.
But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.